Age-old myth Nongpok Thong Hangba becomes a reality with the official opening of Indo-Myanmar border road on August 8. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar appeals Manipur University community for cooperation in resolving varsity crisis, urges to halt agitation when committee's investigation is underway. And Siv Sena Manipur State Unit asks BJP if it's still going to ally with Naga People's Front MPF, a party that has given approval for Naga integration. Kurumjiri, good evening. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the latest updates. First up, Indo-Myanmar border road will be officially opened between the two neighboring countries on August 8 in the presence of officials of both the countries. The age-old myth of Nongpok Thong Hangba, predicted by ancient scholars, will become a reality with the opening of the Indo-Myanmar border road. The border road is expected to enhance the state's tourism and upgrade the business sector at an international level. Speaking to media person at his residence in Kwakaithel, convener of Act East Policy Committee Manipur, R.K. Sivchandra said the opening ceremony will be held at Tamu at 8:30 a.m. Myanmar Standard Time, which is approximately 7:30 a.m. in Indian Standard Time. Four officials from the state, including R.K. Sivachandra and Transport Commissioner Lakshmi Kumar and Indian Consulate in Mandalay, and official concerned from Myanmar will attend the opening function, after which the official will inspect the Integrated Checked Post ICP at Moreh. The reception program at Moreh will be held at Ellora Hotel, where representatives of the two countries will discuss on various upcoming projects for the welfare of both the countries.
India amdi Myanmar gi lambi maru oina khitang naksana haijar brada Manipur amdi Myanmar gi border gi lambi asi hangdana lairakpasi ngasi August ki tang 9 sida officially hangadaure. India gi dadi hana changakpasi kaisu athingba laiti. Noble Chief Minister N Biren busu aina ngamkhai leitan thagatba phongdok chai maramdi sahi kunsi gi matungda mana government chi la aba matungda masigi damta thabak tawba yana ba haina Act East Policy Committee ama Chief Secretary, a number transport ki commissioner, a number Manipur ki department mayam ki commissioner yauna aduga ai isamuna convener oijaraga masi tongana tawdaba yadre haina initiate tawidana committee ma sembiba.
Speaking further, R.K. Sivchandra asserted that the ties between India and Myanmar will be a fruitful one under the Act East policy. He lauded initiatives of Chief Minister Nongthom Biren for the same. He opined that the official opening of the road will bring innovative changes in the state in the next 10 years. Sivchandra stressed the need to be aware about the change by everyone in the state. He stressed the need to establish an amiable relation between Manipur and the state of Jagain in Myanmar. Sivchandra expressed hope that the new situation will enhance Manipur tourism and economy to a great extent. He said a counter for special visa arrangement under Act East Policy Committee is ready to facilitate easy access between the two countries, and one need not to go to Kolkata anymore. E-visa will also be available eventually. He further disclosed that Indo-Myanmar bus service will be launched as soon as Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates the ICP at Moreh.
Kilometers sahum mafu samnari ba se koi Jagang state ngakne koi ngasi khwaidagi tinagado se Jagang state ki mi singni through this Jagang state Manipur gi sawa economy gi safu pigado ne se miyam da haijaninge Manipur sida Act East policy na Jagang Manipur citizens dialogue khaiba ma tang tram pandagi na kunmat foi forwa tawno ba semjare high sing se high profile representatives ngakne Jagang government ki ana sidai sida koi brainstorming session ama akoi kamai tawdna hangai ba lambi siga akoi trade and the other so many aspects akoi kanaba si kamai lawmina sige habigi matang da akoi khana nai jaga dawri.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar has appealed at the university community, including the student bodies of Manipur University, to cooperate in resolving the ongoing crisis. Speaking to media person at Deputy Chief Minister's Secretariat Chamber, the minister expressed concerns about the academic career of the students and asserted that the government supports the goodwill of the students. He said, granting leave to BC Pandey for a month and investigation by the fact-finding committee will be a step closer to resolving the university impasse. Joy Kumar appealed to Musu, Mutta and Musa to halt the ongoing agitations and give an opportunity to the VC in charge to proceed with his responsibilities. He also called on to have faith in the fact-finding committee as it is an independent body headed by a retired acting Chief Justice. He maintained that the members of the committee are not appointed by the state government at whims. He said the state government urged the centre to form an independent body for probing the case, keeping in consideration the sentiments of the people. He said 2 officials were sent by the Ministry of Human Resource Development to be part of the committee. Joy Kumar appealed to withdraw any forms of agitation while the investigation is underway. He further expressed hastiness at the demand of Assam to restore normalcy in the university by August 6th. The Deputy Chief Minister reiterated that the government is trying its best to resolve the issue at the earliest. Members of the committee formed by the Chief Minister, namely Minister Karam Sham, Lepau Haukip, Losi Diko and T.H. Radhesham, also attended the press meet.
Sudasu, Mutadasu, appeal to at this point some time, Nasagi Mana Suti Levi the quite tabak to Honba column say, Yana about normal functioning door, Madu to Honbada, Madu Mating Pambu, Matam Karakanutoga, Haying High Basi, fake finding Karigi, inquiring Kayologa, Palm the Bumong, then Adu Matuna Toru Suyang, Adu Hosically Sicarino, Hosically film see the Sigi, marks it, Pekaido to Mayam lady, Haido Oga Pinga marks it, Kari Singna Singba, Pang the Vidigi, Loktoka, the Vidigi, Satra Mayama, are already. Provisional admission day, Pangaga, subject to production of marks it Haina, Adu Mayamle. See, Matam Sana Pio the Tagadi, Satra Singi, Punchisu, at least Punchibok Mangana to Sahim among Bases, Satra Punchi, Yam Sauna Manga Canomini, Manataning Perica, Amatobo Copa, Matam San, Taba Copa, Duma Pangu Ribani, Aduna Quena, Asigi, the Quena Apple Togen, Pamjeripsi, Toribasi. Musugi is now Sinchu, Mutagi was asking you, Amtang Kandaviraga. Kandaviraga, I believe a quick government, we are also very concerned about this issue. Quick concern with the Venetia, I know cannot over there. So much so that quite special in a high pop ministerial team, must handle Tonubahina, so I don't know that Totuna, a quick see, Unazeri Sini, say the quick said.
Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit has questioned the BJP government if it is still going to ally with the Naga People's Front NPF, a party that has given approval for Naga integration. The party also stressed the need for coming up with a list of National Register of Citizen NRC for Manipur, similar to that of Assam at the earliest. Speaking to media person at the office of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit in Babupara, President of the party M. Tombi asserted that people of Manipur has no reservation against any agreement signed between NAC-NIM and the Government of India for the betterment of Nagaland. However, no agreement signed between them should affect the territorial integrity of Manipur and bring disharmony among different communities residing in the state. He also urged the government not to hinder any public movement for a public cause. Tombi further urged the state police not to manhandle protesters like animals.
Unholy alliance se machine maram oraga akoi ki Naga People's Front na lori ba sigum ware basi masi akoi BJP da masi Shiv Sena ki asok buwang ni Naga sing na pami bu thabak sing asi ngasi BJP na yarabra adu yaraga sarkar paiminari bra masi BJP da hang buwang ni Union State Minister Kirin Rijiju lana lamjingi masi akoi ki state sida minister or Union Minister ki Karam Sham ne Mana lana lamjing mataki mana lana haibadaki Kiran Rijiju lana haibani Unholy alliance se machine maram oraga akoi ki
Manipur Government Service Federation has resolved to support the strike called by All India State Government Employees Federation on November 15, 2018 in their demand to nullify Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority Bill to regularize contract workers, to abolish contractual and outsourcing systems and to fill in vacant posts in all departments. General Secretary of the Federation, L. Purujit, made the statement during a press meet held at State Guest House today. Speaking to media person, he appealed to the state government to pressurize the centre regarding withdrawal of National Pension Scheme and to implement a defined pension scheme. President of Manipur State Pensioner Union, Huidrom Yaima, urged the government to remove the with or without in the Clause D of the Memorandum of Understanding signed between the state government regarding the 7th Pay Commission.
Continuously, when Unajadana Lemori was 17% DA to P. Nenava, Tawibani, and out of that 6% of the P. and 11% of Palhudan lady, Madusodum, government, Nadum, Pidakan habit has a view Tamjari, all the vacant posts existing in Manipur under the government of Manipur. Unemployed youth, Mayama, educated Mayama lady, wishing a sea. Yana Fazan a transparent and without any corruption can be the government machinery, full fledgedly. It takes to that.
Employees in Gidi, Masagi Chahi Magi 1/4/2019 to 31st March 2020. Sigidi, employees in Gidi, GB Funda Tambirani, Aduga, Makogi, Chahi Home, the Sarkana, Sijan of the Habini, Pashalitum, Yareba. Adu pensioners in neglect of Piramebo. Moin Hypati Barbiri, the Hare, GB Funda Tamadudi, pensioner Gidi, Phase 9. Case the Pignena. Adu Nuaitaba Masia Konayo Dragadi, Posigo Charang Narisida, Amuka and Gomeda, Charanabam token in the ground.
Southeast Asia Cultural Organization, SICO, observed its 8th Foundation Day at Thao Ground in Thangweban today. The organization was established 8 years ago with an objective to preserve the cultural identity of all the indigenous communities of the state. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary General of SICO, Kontauzam Ibochauba, expressed apprehension that there is high probability of outsiders dominating the natives if entry of illegal immigrants are not checked on time. He said, SICO has been relentlessly striving to revive and preserve the age-old customs and tradition, native dialects and indigenous religious beliefs and rituals which are being gradually replaced with changing times. Taking part in the event, social activist Sapamcha Jadumani stressed the importance of identifying and defining the original natives of the state. He urged the government and relevant authorities to revise the Manipur People's Bill, which was passed in the recent Manipur Legislative Assembly monsoon session, as it do not clearly define who the native people of the state are.
Ladiba Patni Nungi, the Sudadhar Mayam Singse, Hui, Robi Haraba, Angami Nungami Sakui, the Konesto Pokraba, Hain Saron Suron Powadum, Makoise, a Kui Romi Odoring. Adiki, Amana, 1951, Belgia, we went on the Madui Mamanda and Ramitop Sindo, a Kui Manipur people in Lotori. Madade Yauriba, Han, Mother Yauri Mayam Sindi, Nepali Yaure. Bihari yaure, Bengali yaure, Muslim yaure, Marawari yaure, Sikh, Jain, adagi Myanmari, Madrasi sing, Mayam sing se, Akoi Manipuri and Loktori. Makoi citizen, Manipuri citizen, ni habili yai, adu Manipuri ni hani lokti ya.
Former co-convener of JCLPS, Yumnamja Dilip Kumar, has been appointed as the convener of JCLPS today. Former convener Arjun Telhaiba tendered his resignation during a press meet held at JCLPS office and assigned a post to Yumnamja Dilip Kumar. Speaking on the occasion, Telhaiba lauded the government for passing the Manipur People's Bill 2018 in the recent monsoon assembly session with an aim to safeguard the indigenous inhabitants of the state. He said, even before the inception of JCLPS, various civil society organizations relentlessly fought for protection of indigenous inhabitants. He maintained that even though the bill was passed on July 23rd for the coast, it has still a long way to go to achieve its target. Telhaiba stressed the need for the bill to be converted into an act and appealed for public cooperation for the same.
मियाम यंगजरीबदी येलोमी कनसी हाइबदुने अन येलोमी जे कनानो हारप कांददी सिंगी तमगी कोइना मणिपुरी जाति हाइब तारे मणिपुर नेशन की कांगलु उसने ओइबनिना बेंगोली मुस्लिम नत्रगा पंजाबी नत्रगा मरवारी लेरिबा तुंगान तुंगान बा मणिपुर दलेरिबा सिंगसे अरीबदगी अंगनबा मतमदगी लेबो ओरसु अनोबु संगपो ओरसु मखोइदी नेटिव पीपल हागद्रा नत्रगा indigenous हागद्रा मधुमक्ति मोइदी ओइद्रे मोइदी yes they are Bengali, they are Indian Bengali, Indian Marawari swa haiba tabare and swa da samam nanga kisulate makoi tana sum pamjabagi haijabagi wani madu miya makoi na madu thoina khantamam thokte haibdare.
Speaking to media person, Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar stressed the need to urge the governor and even the president of the country to often bill asset. He said, despite GCLP's repeatedly requests to the previous Congress government to establish a population commission, no actions are taken till date. He further called the need for a national register of citizens, that is NRC, list for the state to identify indigenous inhabitants of the state. Dilip Kumar also asserted that it is high time to aware everyone on the negative implication of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 once it is implemented. He further assured of extending all possible cooperation from his side as a convener to help in safeguarding the identity of the people for the state. The newly appointed convener appealed for public cooperation for the same.
Assamda achaubi shuarba NRC gi thabak se masi NRC se koi 2015 bhaugada bill pass tawgiba matam sida national register of citizens se Manipur da thamgada ba masi thigada bani haidana semgada bunate ta semgadi national register of citizen hai se government of India na masi maintain tawroga thamba dugumba authenticate of document amaneba masi India government na mafam jana thamdaba natragana makoina classified file ni haidana classified document ni haidana home ministry amsung external affairs ki mokota sinagi badana masi lei leite haina tawna basina maram oira kanda aikoi gi Manipur da di koire khone lauri se national register of citizens se masi update tawgada bani masi phajana puthok pira u haidana state government da taknadana lakpa se ngasi bawda makoina masi thawa yaudri.
Members of Iramdam Kanba Apun Balup Ikal and Upliftment Organization SUO urged the government to safeguard Khwaranban Ima Kaithil. A poster campaign under the banner Save the Distinct Features of Ima Kaithil was launched in the market this afternoon. Speaking to media person, President of Social Upliftment Organization SUO, Luang Laima, reminded that members of the two associations along with women vendor of Ima Market convened a meeting at GM Hall in May and even submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister containing their demand. She said the government has not taken any measures regarding the 7 points in the memorandum till date. Luang Laima said the 7 points are clearly mentioned in the poster for the public to notice and warrant of intense agitation if government still fails to pay heed to their demand.
Hanadagi on a quick layback to the DNP sing I am Bakatin Pambanina, Awabanga, Pambanina, Awabasing to Hena Kankalaga, Makoy the Temang, Polum Simigadamni, Aduga, Matanga, Imakatin, Soto, will Kabising Chigi, Makoy the PB by chair, a quick Kunai Chigi. Yamna Quaki yellow missing Bukan, Madame Macham Yopada, Maduki, the Makamakoina, Chilakara, Tanjabala, the Makoy, the PB by the chair, Miang, Queen, Lepcha, Wapchini, Atuama, that we had a Quay Hana Pisanja, keep a memory, Pisanja, Aduga Masiki demand chair, I Quena, I am a Matam de Yanchelaga, Matamatam, you better Chanchilani, Kagumba Masida, Yarakagadi, I Quay Hamba, the Democratic Weba, I Nayaba, Kongjang and Yadragana, I Quay Sapam Lampam, Twin, Tolakani.
A team of Commando Imphal West conducted today cordon and search operation at Thangal and Paungna Bazaar as a part of security measures ahead of Independence Day. The operation under the supervision of SP Imphal West, Jogesh Chandra Haubijam at Laima Shopping Complex, Governor Road, Mazit Road and Naga Nala and other nearby areas. A team of Imphal West Commando led by Inspector Ibotombi regulated the operation at Thangal Bazaar and another team led by Inspector Anil Chandra Mutum conducted the operation at Paungna Bazaar. A combined team of Commando Thobal and 26 Assam Rifles arrested a member of proscribed outfit KYKL during a search operation conducted at Irong Makha around 8 this morning. The arrested person is identified as Sarangthem Sarachandra Elias Ibomcha Elias Hungyo Pingmeisho, 45 years, son of late S. Kala Singh from Palel Maning Setu Laikai. The cordon and search operation as a part of security measures ahead of the Independence Day. The joint team was led by ASP Operation Thobal, Sachidananda Soibam and OC Thobal Inspector N. Sadananda under the supervision of SP Thobal S. Gautam along with a team of 26 Assam Rifles led by Captain Vikas Rana. A joint team of Commando Thobal and a column of 26 Assam Rifles arrested a member of proscribed outfit pre-parked from Thobal Bazar, Thongkong around 7 p.m. last evening. The arrested person is identified as Waikom Sanatomba Singh, Elias Ibungo, 40 years, son of late W. Iboton Singh from Thobal Khetri Laikai, Thomjin Makong. After thorough investigation of the arrested one, sympathizer of the outfit identified as Bachaspati Mayum Herojit Sarma Elias Boboy, 36 years, son of late Hemochandra from Thobal Ningombam Mamang Laikai was also arrested from his residence. A team of 12 Assam Rifles personnel apprehended a person in possession of 960 WY tablets from Khuding Thabi motor vehicle checkpost around 1 this afternoon. The person is identified as Lilit Mate, 47 years, son of Jamthang Mate from More Ward number 9. An FIR was registered against him at More police station for further investigation. Arid local storm Bishnupur District Hospital following the death of an infant right after delivery at the hospital yesterday. Family members accused doctors and staffs on duty of negligence. Omita Devi, 27 years, wife of Kora from Koijumang Mayai Laikai, was admitted at the hospital yesterday after experiencing sudden nausea and fatigue. Her doctor scheduled a due date on August of 8. However, she was admitted yesterday due to her condition. It was reported that the doctor on duty administered the required doses of drugs to the patient as she was lying on the hospital bed. Her water broke suddenly and delivered the baby on the spot. The baby died as soon as it was delivered. Irate family members and locals alleged the medical staff of negligence and stormed the hospital, chanting various slogans to dismiss them at the earliest.
Labor room the Tau or Magadi, Karjupian Gadava. Man hippiba, patient to emitor hippiba, bed to the Angandu Unasale, Angandu Unasalaga, Matamdu the doctor Sulaite, Akoina, Hidalanga, Han Arens Togjarage, Angansi Unado, Matamjin Naxala Male and Hybedasu, Makoina, Matamwali Wali, I did not delay Torotamba. Aduga, Kudak to the Angandu, Kenoto, Angang Unasala Nina, bleeding Toredu Tore, no more Kenomo, Dr. Glonda, the higher Akoi Kangre. And the Angandu. Pusalaga Sangraga, minute Karagi Matung, the Angang, Syria, the Nakoda Pauja, have you any? Tasina, the Angang, Makoina, Yarload of the Angang, Hapuni.
Organization for Indian Women Against Crime, Kanchipur and Royal Motors Manipur jointly flagged off a motorcycle rally carrying the banner Right Against Molestation today. The motor rally is a part of the nationwide rally organized by Biking Community of India in 26 states. Secretary of the Organization for Indian Women Against Crime, Alambam Ongbi Robita Laima, and Chief of Royal Motors Manipur, Meshnam Bikramjit, jointly flagged off the motor rally from Pishum Oinam Laikai. Altogether, 100 motorbikes took part in the rally, which concluded at KM Blooming School in Kangabok. An awareness program on violence against women was also held at the school premises as a part of the event. Sri Swami Sivananda Foundation Center, Imphal, organized the 55th Punyatithi Aradhana of Swami Sivananda Maharaj at the residence of Brahmachari Mayum Amusana Sharma at Wankai Ayangpali today. Floral tributes were offered at the portrait of Bharat Ratna awardee Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on the occasion. A book entitled Karma Yoga is the best yoga, which was translated into Manipuri by Kakching Tabam Brajamani Sharma, was also released on the occasion. MLA Khetrigao N. Indrajit, MLA Yashkul T.H. Shattabrata, advisor of DLS State Committee Swami Gopal Krishnananda, chairperson of Manipur Women's Development Society S.H. Saitibhama, and senior advocate Dr. Chongtham Norendra and other eminent individuals attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, MLA L. Indrajit stressed the importance of preserving one's culture and tradition in order to safeguard the future of the society. Taking part in the event, MLA T.H. Saityabrata lauded the contribution made by Swami Sivananda and espoused yoga to attain peace.
अखोई कनोजे चनबीजे सीग्र कांदा मागी मतिक हिंगिंगाइदि माजी योखत पिदबा सीग्र कांदा फोटो द लाइकटपा अदगी फोटो द मागी डेट मेमोरी तौदन मयाम म निंगसिम पालन तौबगी थबकसे मसी अई मोतदी अई सरकार गे नोब सरकार की तरफ तैना मयाम दाइजनिंग मुजे मसी जु दुम तौगिबना तौग्रे लाकदबा मनु कनोददी तसेंगना प्रजा की सेवा तौगदबा धर्मद लाइनिंग द लाइसुद खंगप मी मोइदारगदी अफब लंबीदा पौताक्तुना खुद पारग सिंबिगदबा मियोय मोय बतारगदी कोई मसेन थांकलगा मदुगी अफब कनोदो धर्म दो लहुदुना लंबी दो लहुदुना अखोय मसेन सीद्रिंगाइदा मोंदगी तौमिनौजी हाइबजे नसिगी सभासदे ना पिल तौजरी.
A free health camp on detection of thyroid and diabetes was organized by Naharol Yaipa Kongjang NYK Club in Thangmaiban today. The medical camp was jointly sponsored by Chingtam Healthcare, Uripok MM24 Healthcare and Abbott Thyronome. Around 250 people were checked up during the medical camp. General Secretary of Kuki Chief Association Technopol L.S. Sedkhojang Baite in a press release lauded Health Minister L. Jayantakumar for contributing necessary ultrasound and X-ray machines and for filling in the vacant post of gynecologist in Moreh Hospital. The General Secretary further drew the attention of the Health Minister to equip other inadequacy of hospital in the future. Joint Forest Management JFMC Tentha under the aegis of Divisional Forest Officer R.K. Amarjit organized an awareness program on plantation of trees and its impact on the environment at Tentha Model School in Tentha Kunau Mamang Laikai Thoubal district today. Students of the school also planted tree saplings at Tentha PHC and Tentha Main Road as a part of the event. A documentation book entitled Principles of Kang Sanaba by Dr. Laitongjam Kongang was released at Yaifa Lamjing Loop Community Hall in Pishumthong, Ningom Lerak today. The book release was released by National Academy awardee and former president of Manipur Sahitya Parishad, Professor T.H. Tombi. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Laitongjam Kongang expressed that the book, sponsored by the Ministry of Art and Culture, Government of India, was entirely written based on his vivid life experiences under the guidance of many learned scholars. He maintained that the book will aid valuable information about Kang to the future generation. President of Manipur Kang Association M. Jadumani, Associate Professor of Manipur University of Culture Dr. Makhonmani Mongsaba, Chief Conservator of Forest T.H. Mahendra Pratap were also present at the event.
Hanagi Masagi aina pang visit and survey method to apply tawjahiba adugumba document mayam adu akhang ahi singdagi khomjallaga madu aina document mayam sing adu akoigi Ministry of Art and Culture, Government of India da mohoina Senior Fellowship Award pirakpa 2011 amasung 12 ta aina madu synopsis am iraga thagat kibe matung ina madugi report singa doi submit tawjabani masi documentation oina thamobu yamna darkarni yamna kanagani aduna masi tungi yengaga masi documentation oina tawrga thamhu si haiba wafam asidagi ai lairik ase puthonaba honajabani.
A poetry book entitled Kanvasta Tarakpa Pirangna, written by Jiten Oinam, was released today. The book releasing ceremony organized by Lokta Khorjai Lop Thanga was held at Manipuri Hindi Parishad. Yuba Purishkar Award 2018 awardee Tongbram Amarjit and BM Nobel Award 2018 awardee Berin Thanga were also felicitated on the occasion. Manipuri literature lovers attended the event. Peacemakers Artists Association and a renowned artists association with countless awards for Manipur State Sumang Lila Festival observed its 16th Foundation Day today. The observance was held at the residence of Makhonmani Mongsaba in Uripok, Achom Laikai. Speaking on the occasion, President of the association, Naurem Jiten Kumar, maintained that the association has been organizing its Foundation Day every year since 2002. Many gurus and eminent personalities in the field of Sumang Lila who attended the program were also felicitated on the occasion. Speaking further, he said, the association is prepared to participate at the International Theatre Festival with the aim of expanding the art of Sumang Lila beyond India. He also mentioned that the association will showcase a play written by film personality Makhonmani Mongsaba shortly. Registrar of National Sports University, Manipur, Kangjam Radhakumar, former IPR Director, Megachandra Kongbam, President of Manipur Sahitya Parishad, I.S. Kangjam, President of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, Maibam Purnimashi Laima, and many other eminent personalities attended the event.
मियामना नुंगसिबिबगी ngasi phawba peacemaker asi hingan bibani haiduna miyamda credit se koi pijage ahalaman sing ekoi bu tambirampa takpirakpa singda credit se pijage makha tabada hojiksi national amadi international gi art festival folk theater festival na singbadi koi saruk khara yajarure adu hariba saruk yariba sing sidi india manungdane adu hojikti India ki mapanda atopa lam singda chatla ekoina international theater festival saruk yanana bagi thaurang hojik paikhat chabadi hojare.
Pre-production ceremony of a Manipuri feature film Signaba, a third production of a 3-star, was held today. The ceremony was held at Thangal Cinema Hall in Thangal Bazaar. Pradhan of Hirokpa 3 Gram Panchayat Ningthaujam Tangba, Vice President of PVYS Northeast Circle, MC Vinod, and film director A.K. Ganeshwari attended the event. The film media partnered by Impact TV will be directed by Christina and presented by Hemanandra. Ramcharan, Medha, Ratan Lai, Amarjit, Priyanka, Happy Rajan and Georgit are in the lead roles of the film. A social media platform, Manipur Update, extended financial assistance of 30,000 rupees to one Ketrimayum Ajit from Ising Thembi village in Kundrakpam constituency. Ajit was crippled for life after an unfortunate incident when he fell from a building. The group further assured of providing financial aid to others in the future. It may be mentioned that Ajit is a 25-year-old boy who used to work at a construction site in order to support his family. Unfortunately, he fell and fractured his hips during the mishap. Indian Association of Physiotherapists Women's Cell, IAPWC Manipur, held a continuing medical education on the topic Ergonomic for Desk Job Workers at RK Sanatomi Devi Vidyalaya in Pangai today. Resource persons Dr. Anupama Hijam and Dr. Roshni Sagrakpam spoke at length on ergonomic for desk jobs workers. Altogether, 20 physiotherapists, including 50 students and teachers, attended the event. Certificates issued by Indian Association of Physiotherapists Women's Cell were also distributed on the occasion. Vice Chairman of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority, Adim Pamay, has applauded the hard-working sportspersons of the state for bringing a national sports university in Manipur. He said this during a sports kits distribution event held at Old Sugnu Football Club in Sugnu of Kakching district today. Football players undergoing training at the club were presented with uniforms, footballs and other equipments. He also stressed the need to give up intoxicants and appeal to the parents to aware their children against drug abuse. Adim Pambai asserted that communal harmony can be attained through the medium of sports. He said, when players from diverse communities play together in the tournament, it will exemplify integrity in the state.
Sanaroi promote tauhalaga singmi tammi nungsinaba purak ningai gi damakta ekhoi gi jadonangi sports numita rani gadilu gi sports numita shugnu sing de lairiba aduga tampakta sanaroi singsiga punhalaga singmi tammi nungsinaba si purakke haibagi maramda ngasi pandam amada ekhoi chachari bani Manipur da sport university pudak ribasi kari maramdagi purak no haiba matamda mahai masing hairaba natraga mantri mandon singina purak panate sanaroi singsina purak pani haiba ai makoi da asauba daita piningi nungsinaba aduga hakchang phaba nisada laisuraba kayabo aphaba lambi da purak ke haiba taragadi sanaba natna upai leite.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 8-year-old myth Nongpok Thong Hangba becomes a reality with the official opening of Indo-Myanmar border road on August 8. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar appeals Manipur University community for cooperation in resolving varsity crisis, urges to halt agitation when committee's investigation is underway. And Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit asks BJP if it is still going to ally with Naga's People's Front, MPF, a party that has given approval for Naga integration.